Hi guys, welcome to IndiaBees. In this video, we are going to see about the list which is used in the HTML. So you are taking a next step towards success, which most of them does not do. So what we are going to cover today is the list in the HTML and what and all are the type of list which is used in the HTML. The unordered list and the ordered list and defined list. These three types of list which is used in the HTML. So unordered list is the list which commonly used by every HTML developers. So ordered list is like the list which should be in order, and defined list, mostly defined list will be used in table view concepts. So defined list is like showing the description and as well as the key. So it's defined like that. So let's dive into the coding part. This is the HTML document which we are developing from the scratch. Don't panic if you don't have this source code. We'll provide a GitHub link in the description. You can download from that, or you can view from the previous video. There we have provided the link. Let's start with the unordered list. This is the header which we have created in the previous video, and we can embed this within list. UL stands for unordered list, and HTML tag is like open and close braces, so we can copy this and paste here, and you have to format this one. If you format this only, it will be looking good for a developer to develop. So UI, and after that LI tag. So we have to embed this LI tag to all of our list. So let's do that quickly, so that you won't be able to miss the just I'm copy pasting here so that you don't copy paste the source. If you copy paste the source, and you won't be able to get what we are doing. So we have done the unordered list. So here we have done the unordered list. Let's save the document and open it in the browser. So here you will be able to see the unordered list, which contains the dot. So here we are giving a break, right? So we have to remove the break to see how it actually looks like a list. So save it and go to here and refresh. Now you are able to see the list, right? You can change this dot, or you can make this a number or any other designs by using the CSS. Now we can do about the ordered list. Ordered list. So in ordered list, we are creating a list. You can create a heading like ordered list, so that we won't be able to miss that one. Step 1 and order. So this is gonna be a order list. Save this and go to the browser, refresh the browser. See, you can see that order list comes with 1, 2, 3. This is how the order list works like. And let's come here. This is in step 2. Here we have an option to to embed another order list inside another list. Sub value 1. So in the same way we have to create for sub value 2. If we come to the HTML, if you see here, the order list comes in the same way, and under the step 2 we are getting the sub order values. So this is how the order list works. Now we are going to see about the definition list. So in the definition list we can mention the head one as definition list. Here we are going to create a definition list by DL. There are two kind of attributes in the definition list, that is DT and DD. Description, definition title, that is an key value, and definition description, which is going to be their value. Let's consider channel 1, and the definition of the channel 1 it shows the comedy films. Channel 1 gonna be creative, and the same gonna repeat with, and channel 2 gonna be the learning channel, IndiaBees, which shows the educational content. Let's save and open the browser. So now you can see, right, the definition list is getting the key value and it's the description. So this is how the definition list would look like. What we have learned from this video, the type of list and how we are using the list in the HTML page, and those kind of stuff we have learned in this video. Let's come to the conclusion and the giveaway criteria. The most commenters in our channel videos are eligible for this criteria, and those who are commenting in our videos, please join our Discord link which we have provided in the description. Thank you guys. If you like our videos, please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and this motivates us to provide you more videos. Thank you.